Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuickBooks payroll errors, complete guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your company file. Go to the Employees menu. Select Payroll Center. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding payroll errors. Choose the Pay Employee tab to initiate payroll processing. Review the payroll details, paying special attention to the employee list. Identify any discrepancies or flagged errors in the employee payroll data. If you find an error, click on the employee's name to access their profile. Review their payroll information, including hours worked and deductions. Make necessary adjustments to correct any inaccuracies. If an error message appears, note the specific code or issue mentioned. Visit the QuickBooks support website and search for the error code. Follow the recommended steps provided for resolving that specific error. If the issue persists, try running the QuickBooks Payroll Update. Go to the Help menu and select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Follow the prompts to download and install updates. Once updated, restart QuickBooks and verify if the payroll issue is resolved. Check if the payroll tax tables are up to date. If not, download the latest tax table updates from the QuickBooks website. Recheck your payroll entries after updating the tax tables. Consider verifying your company file for any data integrity issues. Navigate to File, then Utilities, and select Verify Data. If errors are found, click Rebuild Data to attempt to fix. After rebuilding, run a payroll summary report to ensure everything looks correct. If issues still arise, consider reaching out to QuickBooks support for further assistance. Keep documentation of the changes made for your records. Record any recurring issues for future reference and potential fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.